mentioned, it is a hyper competitive environment. How do you now, how do you select an SI? Is it only you deal with only the big players, or you're also collaborating with the medium SIs? If yes, again, what on what basis are you selecting them?
Right. See, our procurement strategies are pretty clear, right? We want to engage with multiple SIs, right? And
Okay.
then we are not very particular about the size. We are only particular about the value that they bring, right? How they have engaged in the past, either with us or with similar industries, and what they have delivered and how they have delivered, right? So their industry reputation and
Okay.
etc. Right. So we kind of we are not very particular about the size only as a factor, right? There are many more important things than the size alone. But having said that, right, it's very very important, right, as I mentioned, how they not just engage with us, how they have engaged with the other similar organizations, right? And then when they are doing their solution pitch, it shouldn't be a quote unquote pure sales pitch. It should be something which exhibits a fundamental understanding of us, right? Our business, our markets, our products, our people, our strategies, etc., right? And our process is very, very important because we would want to kind of invest in an SI who gives us tailor-made solution, right? And then who has shown the tendency to understand our problems
Hmm.
rather than a bigger, I mean, it could be a smaller SI, doesn't matter, rather than a bigger SI who have got templates and they're just pushing their templates onto us, right? Letting us figure out how we use it, and so it's I think we don't kind of have a very rigid policy of only an SI which is having x dollars of revenue to
Hmm.
be right, not like that.
No, no, very